said in my other video, I would never, ever pay $53 for a Hikari palette. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our description, we have the September 2020 EYESCREAM Beauty subscription box. I almost forgot what I was going to say. This is a $24 a month subscription. So if you want to see what is inside of here, is it worth it? Then keep on watching. Alright, so this was sent to me for review. I got one set a few months ago. She did reach out to me and ask if she can send it to me this month, and I was like, absolutely. This is $24 a month. There is a code that you can use first box, and that will save you some money off your first box. And let's open her up. The one that I opened up before was really good. You had an eyeshadow palette in it. So I don't know what's supposed to be in this month's box, but let's see. So this is a fairly new subscription. All right. So when you first open it up, it says September day to night. I guess that's what the theme is, and tells you what everything is, and then gives you prices. And that's what she looks like when you open her up. Not too much. Just a little sneak peek. All right. So the first thing that I see that's right on top is by Hikari. Now, we got this in, I believe, a Slay Glam box, and it was quite expensive. It had like a butterfly on it. So this is a Hikari all-in-one face palette, $53. Now, like I said in my other video, I would never, ever pay $53 for a Hikari palette, but they are beautiful, and you get it in a subscription box, so you're not really paying $53. So for $24, you get a $53 dollar thing in here, which is good. So you get your money's worth for it. Oh, this is actually pretty. So it comes with this here. So you don't get a mirror. You would think for $53 you would get a mirror. But one thing about Hikari is I do know that their packaging, they liked everything to be recyclable. So that's why they don't put a mirror in it. Alright, so that's what she looks like. Very pretty. But for 4 shades, I just would never pay $53 for. Alright, so let's do some swatches. So you have 2 blushes, a highlighter, and you have like a bronzer shade. Is that a bronzer? Yeah. That is gorgeous. Ooh, okay. Very pigmented, if I do say so myself. Okay, so that's going in one time. Let me turn the lights down a little bit. I don't know if that's a little better or not. I'm filming very late at night, so I don't know, like, the lighting situation. Since I'm moving, and I moved a lot of stuff, I'm having problems with my light. All right, so let's go in. I'm not going to re-swatch that. That's pigmented. Let me swatch these 3 and see if it's buildable. All right, so that's going in twice. They are buildable. Very, very pretty. So I'm glad to get it. I will definitely mess around with this palette. All right, the next thing is, what is this? Bonita? What is this? Matte Fill Liner. Let's see what you be. Bonita Matte Fill Lip Liner, $7. All right, that's more like it. So let's see what she looks like. Okay, so we have that. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's like a red color. Very pigmented. Love that. All right, I'll definitely use that one as well. All right, so then we have this long wear matte lip gloss. Ooh, and I love me some lip glosses. This is Beauty Creations matte lip gloss for $5. So let's see. I normally don't swatch any of my lip products because I have so many, but I don't think I have this shade in a lip gloss. All right, so that is the Doe Foot applicator, and I'll put it right. Ooh, wow, that is pigmented. That doesn't even look like a lip gloss. That looks like a matte lip. with a little bit of sheen on here. So I'm glad the lip liner matches that, so that way you can, you know, go use the lip liner around your lips and then go in. That way it doesn't go into like your fine lines and stuff. All right. Yes, yes. All right, and then we have two more things. Two things. Let's see. So this is another thing by Hikari. This is a Glitter Mask Duo Pack. Starstruck and Star Cluster. They're peel-off face masks. And this is $24. Wow. So that was already open, but yeah. So you definitely get, you just get two. So that's $12 a piece. This is how to use. Thoroughly cleanse your face. Apply shimmering mask to skin, avoiding eye area, hairline, and eyebrows. Allow mask to dry completely. Slowly peel off mask until completely removed. Yes, I love when you can like peel it off. I love the satisfaction. All right, so I mean, we'll see. We'll see how it works. I'm gonna try one tonight, and maybe I'll use it in my nightly filter fest. All right, so we have that, and last but not least is a palette. This is an Oakland palette. This is $24. It's the Sundowners palette. All right, and so it looks like it came with the outer and like a clear hard plastic sleeve, but that came off. So that's what it looks like. And there we go. Nice fall colors, but let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. So you have a mirror. And then rip that off. Ooh. So there we go. The mirror is nice. That's really, really pretty. All right, so let's do some swatches. Let's swatch the yellow because I'm trying to find that perfect yellow shade. So we have the yellow, we have a red, we have an orange, and let's see, let's do a brown. Wow, this is not bad for an Oakland palette, and I just went in one time. Oh, that's beautiful. Let me just do a couple shimmers. All right, here are some shimmers. So they're not like, I mean, they're pretty. Don't get me wrong, they're really pretty. But how much was this palette again? Let me look. $24. I would expect the shimmers to be a little bit better, but I'm sure once you wet them or if you use them on your eye, it'll definitely be better. I mean, that they are gorgeous. Wow. All right. Ooh. And then you have like some lighter shades here, like for transitions for my complexion. All right, so let's recap really quick what we got for $24. So we have an eyeshadow palette here. We have a Hikari, like all-in-one palette, which is gorgeous. Just not $53 worth. We have a face mask. You get two of them, so that's pretty good. I love my skincare. And then you have a lip liner and like a matte. I don't think it's a lip gloss. That's what it says it is, but coming more matte to me. But maybe it's like a creamier version. So yeah, not bad. I'll add everything up and leave, you know, either right around here. So you definitely get your $24 for it. And I think this is pretty good for a newer subscription. But let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know down below. Also, so I'm still waiting for my boxycharm, but I want to do, what do you guys think of me doing like a haul video? Some things that I've hauled, and I'm looking over here to see if I had seen something, but I can't reach it. Let me know if that's something that you would like to see. And that's everything, guys. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out, and it helps you to kind of promote my videos a little bit more. If you like unboxings, if you like mystery boxes, reviews, hauls, then please consider subscribing to this channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell on and make sure you double tap it and it's on all. That way you get, That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And that is everything. Don't forget to let me know how your day is going, and let me know if you want that haul video, and I will record that tomorrow. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Are they crazy? $53? No, ma'am. No, ma'am.